How to vacuum seal externally using the Avid Armor Ultra Series 1 chamber vacuum sealer. If you have an item that's too large to vacuum seal within the chamber itself, you can vacuum seal externally using Avid Armor standard vacuum sealer bags or a vacuum sealer roll. Now, keep in mind also that the bag has to have the embossed texture because that is how the air is withdrawn from the bag. So it does act like a traditional suction vacuum sealer. Now, keep in mind that the size of the bag has to be less than 10 inches. So for this demonstration, we're going to use an 8-inch vacuum sealer roll to make a custom bag size. We have already cut a roll for these pork ribs. So we're going to go ahead, power on the sealer, and we're going to place the bag over the seal bar because we first have to make a seal on this custom bag. So go ahead, close the lid, and then all you have to do is press the seal button. Make sure your seal time is a setting of 2. You'll need a little bit higher of a seal time to seal through that embossed texture. Now that side of the bag has been sealed, you're going to want to go ahead and check to make sure it's wrinkle free all the way across. For this demonstration, we are going to be vacuum sealing pork ribs. Once you get them in the bag, make sure that there is plenty of headspace on that bag because you will need room to place the bag into the chamber and over the seal bar and then still close the lid. So we would probably recommend at least about 4 inches of extra headspace, more than usual. So once it's placed over that seal bar, you're going to go ahead and close the lid. And then all you have to do is press the auto vacuum seal button. But since this is action as a suction sealer, we won't need as much time because immediately whenever that vacuum pump starts running, it's going to suck out all the air. So we can reduce our vacuum level to a 1, keep that same seal time setting of 2, and then all we have to do is press auto vacuum seal. Again, this is acting like a suction sealer, so avoid vacuum sealing any liquids or anything that is high in moisture. Once the cycle is complete, you can go ahead, remove your bag, check your seal, make sure that it's clean, consistent, and wrinkle-free all the way across. And now your bag is ready for storage.